morning. It's Tuesday morning today. We've got a free dig because the farmer's lost a GoPro. So he's somewhere on this land. He lost a GoPro while ploughing, and our mission today is to find the GoPro. It's a lovely day. There's about 8 of us that's turned up so far, so see how we go. So we are looking for a GoPro. So everybody's had to go over my GoPro to see what they're looking for, and yeah, let's see what happens. Right, catch you in a bit. So we've got this free dig looking for a GoPro. Whoever finds it, it's going to be singing to them. In the meanwhile, we've got a free dig, and let's see what else we found. I've already found a buckle and a button. Now, what's this? It looks, first thought was a bullet, but it's a cone with what could have been a screw thread on the end. Cone? No idea. Yeah, warm innit? Right, we've got a cracking signal. I'm hoping it's enamoured. Well, it's not in there.
Does this farmer's GoPro camera have a protective shield on?
Piece of garbage, would you believe it? Part of a bullet case. Unbelievable. Got this button. Definitely a button. I can't read what it says. It's got a coat of arms on it. So I'll put that on screen when I can read what it is. See you later. I've got a 55 and it's that there. Right, it's a watch winder. For sure it is a watch winder. Yep, that's the item. Oh, not very often you get a weird chain loop. Yeah, watch winder, lovely. With a little loop on as well. Hey, nice one.
He's not answering.
Well, would you believe it? I found a.
Yeah, put it on their Facebook now.
I found a GoPro.
Well, they 150 quid.
If you're buying them brand new, you're talking about 300, 350.
All right.
Yeah, and it's
How
in
long
this.
does the film last?
Nigel,
Depends on the card.
Nigel, just go over there and show how close I was to it.
So I've got this GoPro. I found a GoPro. It's a GoPro 9. I've just had a look at it. So, yeah.
Come on, photo.
You got it? Have you got us both in it?
Oh, got a picture of it.
I don't know.
Yay! Yeah! So, apparently I'm going to be famous for a little while.
Yeah, we will tomorrow night.
Yeah?
You know, you ought to say, oi, James, isn't it? Yeah, number 1.
So it's a GoPro 9,
Yeah.
GoPro 9 black. The battery's going to be dead for sure. So I'm not going to open it because you can have a memory card in that slot.
No.
So yeah, Mr. Farmer, there you go. Hero black. Right, nice one.
Right.
This is Grant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it Grant or
See this
Dean?
line here?
Yeah.
Apparently this was a line the tractor did to
Yeah.
say it's somewhere along this line.
Yeah, well, that's where it is.
This is where I was.
I was that
And
side.
he came
You
there.
can see my digs going down there.
Tony came there. I was so close, Grant.
It was also close there, wasn't it?
Look, I've just dug my hole here.
Was that it?
Yeah.
That's the camera?
Yeah.
No way.
And you didn't find it. Makes a change. Yeah.
Found it. Take a picture.
So GoPro, get me a reflection off that.
Put a picture of him on it, Grant. Say, look at this jammy twat.
Go on, hold it up. Free dig for us, isn't it?
Hey,
Free dig for you then.
yeah, is that it?
Well, we've got a free dig today anyway.
G'day. As if we all missed that. With the banging
Well, you
signal.
can see the holes.
Try it.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I mean,
see all the holes around.
I think I'm the
I
closest.
bet it was good signal, weren't it?
it wasn't bad. It was diggable. Grant, you know. Look them. But you,
Woo! Ain't gonna miss that.
it was singing.
I was singing and a dancing. You just got to tell the farmer now. And he'll be happy, won't he?
There you go, free
I
cow.
can't believe that. Literally, Connor's just said to me, see this line that's scraped all down there? There's a post on the other side. And he scraped this line thinking it was somewhere along this line.
Yeah.
And it's not even, what, 2 foot from the line?
Yeah.
Where was your hole again?
Here.
And I was that side of the flags and up the top, and then I went that side.
And you
Oh.
came over to talk to me. So
Oh, done.
Cheers, Grant.
Yeah,
There you go.
Maybe I shouldn't have sat there for like nearly 2 hours just relaxing. I was trying to see if it still works.
No,
The battery will be dead.
Right.
The battery will be dead.
I mean,
you
you
laugh-
lot deaf up there. I screamed at you and still.
I know. We thought you said hammered.
No.
You literally thought you said hammered.
No.
No. Right, I'm going to head back and
that's it then. It's
go
right
home.
over now.
This
Then.
has been plowed under by the plough and it's still not cracked, it's broken.
No.
No,
Yeah, but they are designed for that, aren't they?
it's a
Rubber case.
That's amazing.
it's a stick-on.
Oh, is it a magnet?
Magnet.
How long does the battery last?
About 40 minutes.
Did you
Is
just...
that all? I thought
Yeah.
it lasted for ages.
Well, they're the small batteries.
Oh, I thought
So-
that I was going to get one for me bloody cycling, but 40 minutes not long enough.
You clip that off, pull that back,
That's all right.
shove it out, and see,
Tony.
go for 9.
Block
So-
9, yeah. 9 black.
yeah, mine's an 8.
Hi,
Ah.
Tony.
So
Yeah.
Yeah. It was like 3 foot from where I was digging.
it was
He came along and
me, Tone.
James.
found it.
What's his free dig?
Yeah.
Tony, yeah.
He brought this
Tony.
one from home that's not working for a free dig.
Piss off.
How did I not
It's
find
Yeah,
perfect
yeah.
condition, yeah.
Condition. Yeah.
How
Yeah.
did I not
It
find
can
that?
live and die.
I've gone across
I've
it.
done it.
You've all
He
said
was
it.
down here. I've done all down there. And then I've gone across here. I
What's
don't
he
know how
say?
you picked that up.
Well,
He's
I
gonna
did
ring
that
the
line, you
farmer
see. I didn't
now.
do this
Do you know
line,
what?
I did that line.
Colin, just realised. I caught him digging it all the way from up there.
You did, didn't you?
Did you? Really?
Yeah, there. I looked said, well,
How good's that zoom?
you've got an exciting signal.
And does it show how close I am?
Yeah.
Well,
Well, I
it
went
wouldn't have been
outside the
crop it.
flag and
I'm
inside.
shocked
Yeah.
I actually found it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh dear me.
Well done.
I dug it and the first thing that came up was the base. The base, I was hacking at the base thinking, come on you bitch, you shouldn't be that. I'm thinking, what the hell is this? It's like plastic, and it was that I was digging. I might have damaged the base, but who gives a shit? Yeah, I've cut the rubber.
Well,
I've cut the rubber.
I don't think we need to worry about that.
No. He's going to be pleased.
Yeah, well, I was digging over there and I got that come up at 34 on the knocks, and I'm thinking, I thought I'd got it because it was 34 and it was ever so deep over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what's time, anybody?
Exactly 1 o'clock.
1300 hours. My lucky number. Would you believe it? I've got to get off my knees.
I can't believe I've got a photo of you. I sat there thinking, oh, he's got a good signal. He's going for that one, isn't he?
Ah,
Now then, Grant, now you got to go home or what?
you can have a carrot. No, Tony says you're going to get you on the hammered field.
Yeah, he says,
Where
well,
did you
know,
find your hammer then?
just over there.
Over there.
So he said, can I have a crack at this one, or we can go. Well, he's going to ask him now. Well, he's already asked him earlier, but yeah, so we can go on that one down there. But apparently there could be a Roman bloody building in there.
Yeah.
You reckon? So
Could well be.
you know, this field. You know,
I found a couple of them devil's toenails as well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and big pieces of chalk as well. Oh, God.
He says keep it.
Why is it ringing you? Sounds like a radio with me.
You have 10 missed calls.
Hi, Tony.
Right, the farmer wants you to take a photograph of everybody down there that's found it, that's round it. Right.
We got everybody
have
down
done.
there. We have done.
So,
And he's going to come down, he's going to give him £20. I said, don't be bloody silly.
Hey, that's a bottle of whiskey. Take it.
Well, I said, don't be silly, I'll just give him permission to go on that hammer field down the bottom here.
Give me 20 quid instead. I'm going home.
Did you get a
I got a photo then.
That's a bottle of whiskey.
Did you get a picture of how close I was?
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
I'll buy you the bottle of bloody whiskey. I ain't taking
Come on,
that
Dean, I was there.
You are 2 foot.
Listen, he's so chuffed, right?
Yeah.
If you all want to make it back this way, we can go down to that other field down there now.
Yeah. Right. Well, my legs are done for Daytona.
Alright,
'Cause
well
I've-
done anyway,
You,
so.
you know I've had double hip hop replacements. I can only go so long.
Yeah,
I'll-
well done, Tone.
I'll take the whiskey.
Listen, get Grant to take some photographs of you and the group round there.
You're behind time, already done, mate.
Well, no, I want it recorded. I was about, what, 3 foot
3
away.
foot.
He came over to me.
And I found my bullhead sixpence just here as well. That's Tuesday, and I still never got that.
Dear me.
Yeah,
know.
anyway.
Let's send me them, Grant. I'm chuffed with today's find. Yeah. Oh, I didn't think that was it, because the first thing I seen was the magnet, the disc covered in rubber, and I'm thinking, what the hell is that?
Yeah.
And,
You yank it
and,
out.
and I slammed my spade down the side of it, tried jazzing it up and it wouldn't move. So I went down the other side. I'm lucky I didn't go through the camera,
Yeah, yeah.
because I didn't expect it to be on a stand that big.
Yeah, found it right bloody town, didn't you?
Yeah.
Huh?
What have you found?
What a team player.
What an absolute,
Did you get it on, you got it on video and everything, did you?
yeah.
Yeah, don't forget to send me the video. The farmer wants to see it. And,
Does it?
yeah, because he wants to promote us.
It's a good thing.
He's over the moon.
It's not even damaged. I didn't even see. I might have damaged the base of it, but it's only rubber.
Yeah.
Because that's where I went in on it.
Goddamn plough to the
It's
ground.
the what do you call it you want out of it, you see, but it's still.
But yeah, there's no mark on it. Not a mark on it. Screen's good.
I don't
That's
know how
good.
it escaped.
That's good.
How did it escape?
Well, they are rubber, they are hard.
Magnet.
Yeah.
Yeah, in there's the
Must have gone over it and pressed it down into
in there's the battery.
Very straight down the line where Right, we're going to make a move.
He's gonna have to.
ridiculous.
That's the battery. That's where the memory card is, somewhere in there.
Yeah, wash it.
Yeah,
okay,
don't.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't let him do it.
I'll let him do it. If it's damaged, it's damaged.
At least you got it. Well, it is a bit damaged, yeah. Look.
Yeah, well, that could have been my speed, it could have been his plough. So, you
So
know.
it was his tractor.
What a team player. Well done, Tone. Get that video up. Get it up.
I was impressed. I didn't expect that to be it, mate.
We all walked by it this morning.
Did it give you a good signal?
It came in at 55. I was expecting about 88. Because mine come in at 88. But it, yeah, it rang like a bell.
Yeah.
But it's probably the magnet and
We're all going to
everything.
move down to the Amwood field.
All right then. I'll do an hour.
Right.
Well done, Tone.
Cheers.
I thought we were going to
Nice to be proud little moment for the club.
Yeah. I want the video up.
Yeah.
It was only 3 inches, wasn't it, below surface? When you think about it.
It was about 4 or 5 inches by the time I got to it. Yeah. Because by the time I pulled it out, it filled back in again. So it was about 4 or 5 inches down.
So it was just on that top, just as he said.
You couldn't miss the signal. You couldn't miss it. You just like Tony says, you have to go over it to find it.
Yeah. Yeah, you could have missed it by an inch and you missed it by a mile.
How many people down there says, oh, I was so close.
We all walked by it this morning.
Bits of slate out like.
Yeah.
Not me detector, it's not me.